In this video tutorial, I want to show you how to go about using the breaking news green screen effect that you can add as a video overlay onto the video you're editing. And let's just say you want to do something like this here. And this is just as an example, give you an idea. New sea creatures found, breaking news, global insight today, and all that stuff that's going to be playing on its own here. And you want to create something like that here, just maybe perhaps as an intro for your video or just to create a video of your own. Let's go ahead and dive into it. Make sure you have the latest InShot editor app update on Android devices, and let's do it. In order to achieve this here, you're going to do two things. One, add the breaking news green screen effect, which is by going into the PIP section here, go to where it says material, and you want to go under the green screen category. Make sure you're in this part right here where my pen is pointing, and you'll go down to find it. There's two of them here, but of course you want to use this one here, not the one with the mic, as we're not interviewing anybody at the moment. That's a joke actually, but anyways, so you'll select it here, and when the green screen effect appears on the main video itself, you want to tap on this to fill up the entire video frame. Now you can choose to make sure it matches the entire video duration here down here, or also increase the duration of the original video itself. And if your video can't go, you can also use the speed tool to kind of make it slower so it can be longer. Now, with all that said and done, you can come back and edit these at any given time, but we want to now remove the green screen of the breaking news. So let's just say you are no longer there and you want to get back into that section here. Go back to PIP, you'll be able to tap on the timeline section here, and you will be able to go to where it says chroma. Using the chroma tool will allow you to remove the green screen. Just move the pointer a little until it selects green as the main color. You can use the strength here to adjust it by removing the green as much as possible. I will always recommend 85 and up at the best to remove the green. Now, once all that has been said and done, you will get something that looks like this here. The video's playing, your breaking news is now showing up like that right here. If you want to add your own text to have it appear animated, as you saw early on into the video here, you can do like what I did. And I'm just gonna go here, go to text, and just simply say new creatures found or something like that, just to give you an idea of how that works. And you want to make it animated so it can really stand out. So to do this, go here, and you want to have it appear like maybe perhaps like coming in from the left to right or right to left like that. You can adjust the speed as to how fast that's going to play, and then the outro as to how it's going to exit your video, okay? And once you're done with all that here, you can choose where the text is going to appear, how long that's going to appear. And then when you're done with all these awesome changes here, you will now have yourself something like this here. So breaking news, new creatures found. You can move the text a little bit up if you want to, and it's going to exit out here. And then that's going to play it like that for you. Then you can save the video and it's going to be like that. Also, if you notice that little white border here around here, if that's kind of annoying, which it is to me, you can simply come back here, tap on that, and increase the size of it, as this might just be a bug or a glitch, but it's supposed to be like this here. And you'll have it fill up the entire video frame like and so.